Hello guys, my name is Roosevelt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply water splash in Photoshop. Let's say you have this image over here and you want to apply a water splash to the pineapple over here. I have a water splash image. I'll just press Ctrl A to bring out the selection and then press Ctrl C to copy. Come over here and then press Ctrl V to paste it. Now that I'm done, I'll select my rectangle marquee tool over here and then drag over my water splash image. Now press Ctrl X. After pressing the Ctrl X, click here and then select solid color. Make sure the color is white and then select OK. Hold the Alt key and left click here. Press Ctrl V to paste it. And then press Ctrl D to deselect. Now press Ctrl I to invert the selection. And just go back to your main solid color fill layer. Now press Ctrl T and resize the water splash. So I'll be going with something like this. Okay, so guys, this is how to apply water splash in Adobe Photoshop.